Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Try TV. Jason here, and today we have another accessory for our 2023 Model Y Tesla. We bring you the LASFIT floor mats and cargo mat. So what we're going to do here is we're going to unbox it, show what's inside these boxes, and I'll give it a side-by-side with the ones that I already have in the vehicle. Currently have inside the AUXITO floor mats. We'll do a comparison. But before we do all that, subscribe if you're new to the channel, like the video, and let's move forward. All right, so let's unbox these bad boys. Nice and easy. This is going to be actually kind of hard probably with one hand, so let me put this down and I'll be right back. All right, I took them all out. And just to let you guys know, I will have a link down below in the descriptions from Amazon if you actually like to purchase or test out these mats from LASFIT. So here we go. This is what was inside the boxes, and we also had this sticker here. It's basically showing you instructions on how to do it, and the LASFIT liner user manual with instructions and the warranty return policies and all that. But they looked very nice actually as I was checking them out. You can see here, that's the driver's, passenger. Here is the rear seat and the cargo mat. Very big. Definitely you need two hands to take this out of the packagings. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put them side by side next to our current ones that we have here, our AUXITO mats, just to get a comparison of what they are. All right, here we are. We got the AUXITO and the LASFIT side by side, and we can compare them. So you can see there to this one. So visually looking at them, they look fairly similar. The AUXITO does look like thicker, heavy dutier, but the LASFIT actually looks larger, like it'll cover up more ground space, it looks like. And here is the rear floor seaters. And I have nothing to compare with the cargo mat for AUXITO, so I'm just gonna leave that right there. So both floor mats are great, and definitely a lot better, 100 times better than the original floor mats that you get from Tesla. So whatever you do, get rid of those immediately, the original, the OEM ones, and get something from Amazon, from wherever, but just get better floor mats. But comparing the AUXITO to the LASFIT, me personally, I like the LASFIT better. They look sleeker, cleaner, but the AUXITOs do feel a little thicker wise, but the LASFITs actually visually look like they cover more surface area of the actual mat comparably, especially here in the front seat ones. You can see there. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install these in the car and show you guys what they look like, starting off with the cargo mat. Give me a sec. All right, back here now. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop out my privacy screen blocker thing for the cargo area. Give me a sec. All right, installation was easy enough. All I did is picked it up and dropped it in there. It looks like it fits very well. You can see around there, it's squeezing the carpeting of the seats and the wheel wells very well. The only thing, that's not a real issue, but I think it's just because it's been in the box for so long. You can see that there's basically the flaps there. But I'm sure with time and weight, it will slide back down with no problem. The nice thing I did see is, like, I was worried about that I would move, but if you check back here, you can see that it's held down by these spikes, which is very nice compared to like other ones I've seen online where you actually has like Velcro and then it messes up the carpet. So it's very cool. Yeah, there's like spikes everywhere that just keeps it gripped down onto the carpet. Very cool. And it has like this, you see this like lip here area. So then if you need to lift up the actual underbottom of it, you can do so just with ease. No trouble at all. Very cool. And for next up, I think I want to try to see what I can do with this open space here. You can see it just falls in. I'm going to see if I could probably get some extra storage or cubbies or some kind of coverings, so then it just falls into the abyss. So that's the cargo mat. Let's move forward to I'll install the second mat now. All right, so there we go. We got the rear floor mat installed, and man, it is a snug fit. Like you can see here, all the lining of the entire mat is fitting nice and snug all over the rear carpet on the ground there. Very cool, very nice. See, even here, like where it looks like it's an opening, it's just because it hasn't been located correctly by my behalf. But look at that. Very good, very good. And the nice thing about this mat as well, and just like the cargo mat, you can see right there, it has little spikes. So it holds down on the carpet really well compared to the Velcro usage of other ones that I've seen. But yeah, that is not going anywhere. Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right, let's move forward with the front passenger and front driver. Let's start off with the passenger. And there we go, the installation of the passenger side. It is nice. You can see that it is tight on there. Nice and clean on the carpet, and it goes way up there. Look at that. That's what I was talking about. It covers more surface area. That's nice. The only thing I did not like so far that I noticed, and maybe it's just me, but you see this little hump here? There is no actual like little wall compared to like here, right here. So it can, like, say you drop a bunch of ice water or whatever, if you break, or it would just slide back in there. I wish there was a little wall here, but maybe they leave it because they don't want to cover up this storage space where you could potentially put another accessory. We'll see on that. Let's see if we decide to get something in for there as well. But overall, looks very clean. Let's move up to the driver's side. All right, driver's side install. Great, nice, simple install. Hugging the carpet all around, very nice and tight. You can see there. Again, the only thing I don't like is that the rear here, there's no little wall. I mean, there's like a little hump here, but I feel like water or whatever can just roll back here, get this area wet. I wish there was a little wall, but again, it might be because they want to add an accessory, not interfere with that here. We'll definitely check that out, see if we get an accessory, and if it could just, more storage space pretty much. But overall, it looks nice. Look at that, fits just, it aligns just fine. There's a little space right there, but overall, and I feel like it did cover, it is covering more space than the AUXITO mats that we had earlier, but very clean. Oh, and just like the rear cargo mat, this is also held down with the passenger side ones. It's also held down with these spikes, so they are not moving. They are not moving anywhere. You can see there. So that was it. That was the installation unboxing of the LASFIT floor mats and cargo mat. They're very nice overall. If you want to test them out yourself, get a pair for yourself, a link down below. We got them off of Amazon. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Leave any comments, questions you got down below. And I'll catch you in the next one. See you, everyone. Bye.